hello. This is Katniss Everdeen here. And yes, I am the real Katniss Everdeen. Yes. Anyway, I am just here to do a nature tribute. A tribute to nature throughout Earth. Yes, a nature tribute. I know, crazy, right? Hey, puppy. Hey, boy. Doggy. Anyway, I am just here to talk a little bit about nature and how much I love it. See, I did the Hunger Games movie to show how much I love nature. Where I know I was killing a lot of things, animals, but it was because I don't have anything to eat and I'm starving right now. I could really go for some Wendy's. Really. Go for some Wendy's. Anyway, yeah. Oh, bunny! Sorry. Excuse me, but I must kill it. This bunny. These arrows are really long. You know what? I'm just gonna go kill it with my arrow. Just bonk, 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 bonk. So, this is a tribute to nature and what I, Katniss Everdeen, love nature. Now, thank you for this wonderful, wonderful time you spent listening to me talk. It's been fun. Now, I'm gonna go kill that bunny. Come here, bunny. Katniss Everdeen is not responsible for any nature causes, death, or natural side effects. Thank you.